Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another hairstyling video. If you want to see how I went by creating these hairstyles, stick until the end of the video to see how I achieved these looks. For this hairstyle, you'll need water, you'll need eco gel, you will need airbrush or a hair comb and hairbrush, some scrunchies, some hairpins, and I used 2 darling braids. First, make sure that your hair is moisturized. So I'm also going in with water to ensure that it is soft, as done in the previous video. I partition the hair since I want to create a very permanent look, or rather like a look that looks more permanent. So I'm sectioning my hair to make sure that once I start going in with the gel, it is easy for me to go in with the gel. So I'm starting with the back part of the part, so that now this is where I'll start to lay the foundation, and make sure that now I use a scrunchie to secure this hair together. I'm using a brush to lay the hair down. This ensures that I get a more natural and finished look. I'm now going in with my scrunchies to ensure now that I hold my hair together. And I'm starting with the back part, as you can see, because I want the hair to be laid down well. I'm now going from the front part. I'm going in with more water. I always ensure that my hair is going in with the comb or the hairbrush. Use the brush to sleek it more. As I said earlier, we want to achieve a more silked and laid down hair. I use now another scrunchie to hold the hair together. Now here I will hold the hair that I had down, and together with now this one from the front, and ensure that everything is laid down together. So it is okay for you to feel like you want to redo again and again and again, so that once you go in with the scrunchie, the hair is held up together tight and you're comfortable with it. You can go in with more gel like I am doing to ensure that everything is sleek and laid down together well. I'm going in with my scarf as always to ensure that it helps me lay the hair down way better. My scarf out, the hair is laid perfectly. I get my 2 pieces of braids. They're definitely crunched down for anyone who knows darling hair or braids. I hold them together using a scrunchie, and I'm using the one that came with the hair definitely, because there's no need of using another one. So I want to go about this. Once you've stationed your hair the way you feel like it's way comfortable for you, I get some piece of the hair and I tie it around the hair. The reason why I do this is to make sure that my hair feels more natural and is a bit achieved, so I achieve a more natural look. So you tie it around I use hairpins or bobby pins to secure the hair, because I really want it to be intact. Remember, I'll be styling this hair. So that is the first hairstyle. You can stay with it like that. You can decide to stay with the hair like that without doing much to it. But in this video, I want to show you more of what you can achieve with this braid. Once I am done, I go in with I'm using now the same eco gel to lay my edges. As I've said earlier in another video, it's not a must for you to lay your edges if you're not comfortable. For me, I really love laying my edges. That way I achieve a more natural look on my hair. So I lay my edges, and once you feel you're okay with it, you're ready to go to the next hairstyling. So I the hair into two parts, or the ponytail into two parts. I then twist one of the parts. Once I'm done twisting, I use a small elastic rubber band to secure at the end. Then I repeat the same procedure again in the other section. I twist it along. And without even doing so much, this is a hairstyle on its own. It looks very bomb and very sleek, and you can actually go out step out looking just gorgeous with just the two twist outs like that. I want to make a normal braid style. I'm braiding my hair, and I'm braiding using now the three. I section it into three and braid. Remember, because of this hair, you have to always ensure that once you're done braiding, use a rubber band to secure the end of each and every braid that you make. And you have to always ensure that the hair is sleeked down well, or it's well braided. Use a rubber band to secure the end of the braid. As you can see, it looks very sleek on its own. If you want and you don't love too much on your hair, you can stay on its own. But here I went by to try and create something that is not your ordinary kind of hairstyling, a ponytail. So I style it as you can see above. I use bobby pins to secure. Definitely remember, when using bobby pins or hairpins, they have to be hidden. If this process, you can always use accessories to accessorize and hide the hairpins, but always make sure that you use hairpins and you hide them. They don't need to be visible. And when you're done, you can just leave the house with it looking like that. You can go to any place looking like that. But you know what? I wanted to accessorize and make the hair nice and beautiful. So once I put in a bit of accessories, this is how it turned out. And I feel so gorgeous. I felt so gorgeous about this hairstyle. Turned out really nice. So the next hairstyle, I divide the hair into two and I start to twist out again. And as I said earlier, remember when you finish or when you're done twisting out, you have to always secure with a rubber band. And now I'm going to the second section. I repeat the same process as done in the first section. I just twist out. So I want to show you like how you can twist out these two. It's a very commonly known bridal style. So twist the first section into the clockwise or into one direction. Use bobby pins as always to secure. So the second section you go with another bobby pin, but now you go to a different direction, that way making the hair to feel way more balanced and dot out. Remember to secure and use as many bobby pins as you can. And voila, as you can see, we have another hairstyle. That is all I had for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more hairstyle video, kindly leave a comment. Remember to subscribe.